occasion, our dear own retired OCJ oko-jumbo occasion again on our Federal Republic. The guest lecturer and erudite scholar, my own lecturer in the university, Professor Philos Inholmere, the Majority Leader, House of Representatives. My dear brothers, the former governors of Enugu State and Abia State, who were part and still part of G5 movement. The Deputy National Chairman of my party, of the PDP South, and the National Secretary who have come to honor us today. Distinguished senators there, particularly Senator Odwell Oyeso, who represents my own senatorial district, Senator Philip Taribu Abuja, whom I know very well, is very popular in Abuja, the Speaker, Rivers State House of Assembly, and members of the State Assembly who have made us proud, who have shown integrity, who have shown commitment, and who have shown loyalty to our people. The Chairman of Elders Council, very humble, Chief Ibrahim Alabraba, Chairman of APC and PDP, that are here, Chief Tony Okocha and Aaron Chukwemeka, and the Chairman of PDP of Imo State, that are here. The Honorable Minister, get the children, my dear brother, Election Lobobili. The Managing Director, Niger Delta Development Commission, Dr. Sam Okuku. The Executive Director, Charge of Finance and Administration, the Full of Ogo. The Zonal Chairman of APC, Chief Victor Kambarak Gadam, and the Zonal Chairman of PDP, South, Chief Dan Bobby. I have the Monday Secretaries, Acting Head of Service, Monday Secretaries. DGs of federal agencies that are here, the Area Council Chairman of AMAC, Buhari, Kwali, and Southern here. Members of National Assembly, our own, particularly the minority leader who is leading, all of you that are here, I especially greet you. You know, protocol here is too long, so just let me our dear traditional rulers, let me not forget my own, my dear son and your friends who came to honor us today. They are beautiful women who are dressed with various colors. I sincerely want to thank you. The discussants, my friends Eric Osane, Senator Professor Sandy Ono, and my dear brother Oye. The book reviewer, our own brother Professor Clement Eden Adide. Let me now say, ladies and gentlemen, please forgive me if I've one warrior omitted not greeting you. It is not that I didn't want to avoid you. The crowd is much. The crowd is much, so let me thank all of you. Now, when this idea was mooted just like the chairman said, when I was called by Omar the MD of NDDC, and then Chief Emeka, I told them, what interest is this? And if you want to, if they say, we are not in what's your business, but you know you have something. So that's the focus of my work. They said no, that this birthday will not just come and go like that they want to honor me and let people know that this person has done something. So I want to sincerely thank them. Thank the chairman of the organizing committee, Senator George Thompson Sekebo. If you are working with John Sekebo, once you give him an assignment, not on social occasions like this, even in political matters, you will see how committed he is. He is such a person that if you give him an assignment, you can go home and you are sure that that assignment will be successful. So Thompson and members of your team, I want to sincerely thank you. When I came into the hall, I was amazed. I will not lie to you, I was amazed. And I have nothing to pay you, but just to say thank you. And in your own time, we'll also celebrate you this way. And because today is not a political day, I'm not going to talk politics. I want just to thank all of you, and those of you who came, leaving all they are supposed to do, just to say, honor me and my family. I want to say on behalf of my wife and my children, I want to say thank you for coming to join people who are my friends and my associates. Professor Yembe has said a lot of things. My brother, Senator, has said a lot of things. For me in life, what's important is you know what you want to do. You know how you want to do it. You go ahead. One thing I can assure all of you here, we will continue to make you proud. I will never be distracted. I will still be focused to achieve the results that Nigeria will know that Mr. President means well. Yes, so many people have talked about criticism. I can assure you, it is even people who die there, people are criticizing you. Frankly speaking, because I don't see them, and I don't hear them, and I can't reply them. I've told most of you, do not bother about criticism. You don't know bother about criticism. What's important for you is, am I focused? Am I doing what I'm supposed to do? I tell them, the moment your enemies see that you don't listen to them, that you are focused and you are there to achieve results, they will be tired. But when you are being distracted, you are worried, they are criticizing you, they will say, yes, they've not gotten you. The only way you can silence your critics is to show them your result, show them your performance. I'm happy. When we were coming last night, I saw the flyovers were being printed. I said, thank God. So there was work that they are not painting. So, you know, I said, thank God there was work that has been painted now. I said, if you're not important, nobody will talk about you. Like somebody said, how many people are representing us? So, the support Mr. President is giving to me is enough for me. It's enough for me. I don't require anything. The moment I know that my appointer is happy, the moment I know that my family is happy, the moment I know that my friends and ourselves are happy, what's my own? But just go on. If you cannot match up with what we have done, why not come out and say, look, let the truth be told. Let the truth be told. I don't see anybody that will intimidate me or threaten me. I'm not seeing that person. At the appropriate time, we will all meet. When the time for politics comes, we'll talk politics. Now it's for project in FCT. That's all. So once more, I thank all of you. Prof, I thank you so much. You have honored us several times. You have given lecture before. The second one now you are doing. It is not easy. It is not as if you don't have anything to do. But because of the love you have for us, the love you have for me and my family, you really gave us that happiness. My brother Prof, the same thing. All of you here. So let me thank my Deputy National Chairman and those who came with that the good Lord I brought you people here will take you people back safely. Thank you and God bless.